Hi there, in this video I want to show you how to track steps on your Apple Watch Ultra 2. Let's get started. And for that we just need to open the list of applications by pressing the digital crown, and here you can see this workout tab. But this is for starting a workout, tracking your calories and meters, and also play some music. And we are interested in another application which is called Activity. So let's just scroll up like that, and here is the Activity app. Let's select it, and now you can see your soccer activity here. You can just rotate your digital crown to scroll through the pages. So now you can see your calories. If you scroll once more, you would be able to see your exercise time, and here you can also see your stand time. And now you can see how many steps you took per day and the distance and the flights climbed. And also, if you scroll once more, you'll be able to see your recorded activities if you have some. And that's it for today. To exit this application, just press the digital crown once more, and here's your watch face. And that's it how it works. I hope this video helped, and thank you for watching.